So instead of using, say, the flashes, you'd use a continuous power light. These are very strong and really good for manipulating the lights. They're basically just continuous light, as it says in the title. But these are really good when you're wanting to get the right angle. So if you're going to use, say, a 50mm prime lens, these are really good as it allows you to have that light continuously on them. So then you can move into the right spot to get the right angle of their face. And it also allows you, so I can't remember exactly how many we have. I think we do have like 3 or 4, which is decent. But say you have 2 of these on the left hand side of our photo studio, you can see that if those 2 are on and then the one on the left hand side is a lot dimmer, you're going to manipulate the face, so then if you're looking at them, the left side of their face is going to be darker than their light side. And this, I've seen it in quite a few pictures and I really think it's so cool, honestly. Like the girl in my, what's it called? The girl in my peer assessments page, Holly Etty, Holly. She's done this for quite a lot of her photos, and they're amazing. They look so professionally done. I think that'd be really cool to incorporate some of that.